Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is on how to get your Wix website's HTML code. I have to give you the honest truth right at the start. Wix is a proprietary software as a service platform, which means there is no export to HTML button that gives you a perfectly functioning website to host elsewhere. These steps relate to the best workarounds available to help you rescue your content and code. First, you need to understand the limitations. Because your site's functionality relies on Wix-specific servers, a raw export would break your forms, store, and animations. However, you can manually capture the static code. Open your live site in a browser like Chrome, right-click anywhere and select View Page Source or press Ctrl-U. This gives you the raw HTML that Google sees, including your meta tags and header scripts. Next, if you want to see the live code that's currently running your animations and layout, you should use the developer tools. Press F12 or right-click and select Inspect. This opens a panel on the right where you can see the Elements tab. This relates directly to your active design. As you hover over lines of code in the panel, the corresponding part of your website will light up on the screen. This is the best way to find specific CSS classes or ID names if you're planning on doing some custom coding later. The final connected step is for those who want to see their site exactly as a search engine bot does. In your Chrome DevTools, click the three dots in the top right, go to More Tools, and select Network Conditions. Deselect Used Browser Default and choose Googlebot from the drop-down menu. Then refresh the page. This forces Wix to serve the exact HTML structure it provides to crawlers, which is essential for troubleshooting your SEO. That is literally it. Just remember that while you can view this code, you can't edit it directly here and have it saved to your Wix site. You'll still need to use the Wix editor or the code panel for that. If this helped you get a better look at your site's foundation, please smash that like button and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point tech tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want to see how to rebuild your Wix design in a different builder next, and I will see you in the next video.